Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and move text and images in PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat program if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded or installed, what you can do is go to the official Adobe website right here at adobe.com, from where you can open up the Adobe Acrobat section. From here, get started downloading and installing the program, and once you open it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, where you're going to be able to see this recommended tools for you section that is great for beginners that want to get started with Adobe Acrobat. So from here, we are going to go and be able to find this tool that says edit a PDF. So as you can see, this is going to enable us to modify or edit text, images, pages, and more. But as you can see, once you go ahead and click on it, it is not available in the free version of the program. You're going to need to have an upgraded plan. So you want to upgrade to Adobe Acrobat Premium. So it's only doable with Premium. Once you upgrade it or get a free trial, you're going to go and be able to access the edit section, from where you can get started following this Adobe Acrobat edit text and images in PDF files article on the official website, which is the tutorial showing us how we can go ahead and exactly do so. So basically it's going to show us the step by step. I suggest you go ahead and take a look for your case what you need to do, but basically it's going to open up a sidebar with all the options for editing your PDF, and there you can get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.